Good morning, students. Last class we saw the introductions of P block element. Today we are going to see the preparation nitrogen. You are going to see the preparation of nitrogen, properties, physical properties, chemical properties of nitrogen, uses of nitrogen. Already you know. So nitrogen, what is the formula for nitrogen? Nitrogen formula is N2. N2 is the formula for nitrogen. Nitrogen is present in the atmosphere. Already you know the 78% percentage per volume by volumes are contained in the atmosphere nitrogen. Already you studied in the 10th standard. So now you are going to see them, study them preparations of nitrogen. So first you are going to see the commercial and industrial preparation. So in the nitrogen, so in atmosphere 78% by volumes are contained in the nitrogen. It is separated as industrially and commercial preparation. You are going to take them liquid air. So air by the fractional distillation method. Already we studied in first lesson what is meaning by fractional distillation. The purification by the fractional distillation. We get the pure nitrogen. Okay, but this is the first method. Next method is, so we are going to obtain the preparation of pure nitrogen. Pure nitrogen. How to prepare the pure nitrogen means you take the sodium azide. What is the formula for sodium azide is NaN2. NaN2 is the, so Na3 is the sodium azide. So is a thermal, you are going to heat the 575 Kelvin. So thermal decomposition. You are going to heat the thermal heat. What reaction is takes place? It is heated in the reaction is take place in the thermal decomposition reaction is take place. So the sodium side are going to react to form the sodium and nitrogen gas. Next one is going to see the next one is, next preparation is, you are going to prepare the nitrogen from the ammonia. You are going to react with the bromine to form the ammonium bromide and the nitrogen. Next we are going to see the properties of nitrogen. First property, what is the first property means? The first property is physical properties is the colorless, odorless, tasteless, and non-toxic element. Okay, next one, the stable electronic isotopes of nitrogens are 14N, 15N. It's the same stable isotopes. It has low boiling point at 77.2 Kelvin. So due to them is a chemically inert. It is chemically inert. So due to high bonding energy. This is the next point. Energy. Next, so less reactive in comparison with C triple bond O, C triple bond O, C triple bond N, N triple bond C. Next, very low solubility in water. Very low solubility in water. Okay, this is the physical properties of nitrogen. Next, we are going to see the chemical properties of the nitrogen. Okay, so chemical properties means nitrogen you are going to react with them any other element. What element you are going to form? This is the chemical property. The lithium you are going to react with the nitrogen to form lithium nitrate. Calcium you are going to react with the nitrogen. So take heat in the red hot flame to form the calcium nitrate. So boron you are going to react with the nitrogen to form boron nitrate. This is also the one of the chemical properties of the nitrogen. Next one reaction is in the preparations of ammonia. Preparations of ammonia you are going to react with the nitrogen, react with the hydrogen. The iron is the catalyst, the optimum temperature, the high pressure. This process is called as the Haber process. In this process you are going to synthesize the ammonia. Nitrogen react with the hydrogen to form the ammonia. The minus 46.2 kilojoule mole minus 1 unit of the heat is liberated in this process. Okay. Next we are going to see the next chemical properties. Nitrogen react with the oxygen to form nitrous oxide. N2O is, so nitrous oxide is formed. Okay, so the heating temperature is 347 Kelvin. You are going to heat to form the nitrous oxide. Next we are going to see the uses of the nitrogen. The nitrogen is used for the manufacture of ammonia, nitric acid and calcium cyanamide preparation. Manufacture you are going to use the nitrogen. The liquid nitrogen is used for producing the low temperature required in the cryosurgery and the biological preservation. Surgical process, the nitrogen is used in the surgeries and the preservatives for biological preservation, used for the biological preservation. This is the one of the useful for the uses of the nitrogen. Okay, thank you student.